Well, greetings. It's the weekend, and this is your update. And today is February 5th, 2023, and that is the day of the FoCo Rhythm Rally. If you're not signed up yet, it's in a couple of hours. You can still get tickets at the door and come on by. And this week, over on the Drums West YouTube channel, we did a short, and this whole video here today is going to be short, on all the wonderful stuff that you could win. Follow that QR code and see if you need convincing about coming to the event, but there's some super cool stuff there. Can't wait to see you there. Also, another giveaway that we did this week over at CMEA, Braden had some people trying out some mics at our booth, and I did a short video talking about that and giving away a Heil PR20 UT microphone, cable, and a PreSonus interface. Super great prize. How did these people get signed up to win it? They signed up for our email newsletter. You sign up for it too, and every now and then we give away prizes. So congratulations to the winner on that. Follow the QR code and you can see that again. Not going to show that short because we're keeping things really brief today. We got things to do. We got drumming to do. Then over on the Boomer YouTube channel, this week's View from the Road is talking about value. How does this relate to what we were just talking about? Just because something's given away doesn't mean it has no value. It could have tremendous value. But what do I mean when I talk about value? Well, check out the clip and you'll see. So what am I talking about with value? Well, conveying the value of investing and participating in music, whether that's time, whether that's money, is crucial to getting kids into it. And value and cost aren't the same thing. And that's always a tricky one to kind of split that hair, meaning that if a parent looks at participating in band, for example, and says, oh, it's going to cost $40 a month, yes, it might. But what is the value of that investment? The value is in learning music and all the benefits that has. The value is in being part of a team, being part of something bigger than yourself, making friends, having something that can be a lifelong pursuit. And when looked through the proper lens of everything that it brings versus what the actual laid-in cost is, there's no question that it's a valuable activity. So check out that full video over on the Boomer YouTube channel. I thought there was some really great content and concepts in that. And then over on the Podcasting Store Medium page, this week the essay, I did another one of these musical mysteries, was about a composer who completely misunderstood his most popular work to the point that at the premiere when the audience loved it, he was disappointed. And it's definitely a piece that you know, but it's a story you might not know. So go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. I thought it was a pretty good, Paul Harvey-esque mystery again. So that is your weekend update. We'll see you at the drum rally. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the other videos in the channel. Like, share, subscribe. We'll catch up with you next time.
If you enjoyed the weekend update, do me a favor and follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channels, or visit our websites. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company and thepodcastingstore.com. Thanks for listening.